Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will be showing you how CURLSQUEEN Converti-Cap Wig can be styled as a headband wig, half wig, full wig, or ponytail. So the wig I'm working with today is your natural black Indian virgin hair Kinky curly 18-inch Converti-Cap wig. So the wig does come with 4 different combs, one on the top, the bottom, and the sides, as well as a drawstring. For styling the wig, I went ahead and put some conditioner in it. I didn't shampoo it because it wasn't dirty and didn't have any product in it, so I only conditioned it. I just want to show y'all the amount of hair that came out. It wasn't a lot. It is hair, you guys. It is gonna shed, but now I'm just rinsing the conditioner out, and y'all, the curls are popping. Okay, hey y'all, so let me take my glasses off. So the first style we gonna do, I'm gonna do like, what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do 3 different looks with 1 wig, okay y'all? I'm trying to get y'all something a little different. So I'm using the wig cap that came with the wig. Thanks again, this video is sponsored by CURLSQUEEN. So we're gonna go ahead and put this on. And one thing about like curly wigs, you guys, like your foundation, it has to be flat, but you don't have it flat. Like, you see what I'm saying? Like, it's a curly wig, so you pretty much not gonna see this. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on my glasses because your girl gotta see. Edges done by me. If y'all wanna see how I do my edges, baby, I got an edge video. So I'm gonna go ahead and place the combs. Again, you have a comb on the top, a comb on the bottom, and then 2 combs on the side. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and place the front comb. Before I do that, it do have a drawstring, but we not gonna use drawstring for this style. So I'm gonna go ahead and place the first comb. This wig have been conditioned. I did shampoo it. I only put conditioner on it because it's no product in it, so there was no use to me putting shampoo. I'm just placing the combs. I'm placing the side comb, making sure that's good and snug because you don't want your wig coming off. And don't put it too tight. I can't stand with stuff is too tight. Okay, and then I'm doing the back comb. Okay, that's pretty much in. And I'm really not gonna put that much product in it because I want it to be, baby, what's going on right here? Hold on, y'all, because this side comb right here, baby, what you doing? I'm pull the drawstring just a little bit. So you can pull the drawstring just a little bit, y'all, to make sure it's good and snug. That ain't going nowhere. Okay, for this first style, I'm gonna take a little mousse. Just a little mousse. Do y'all feel like I'm yelling? Just a little mousse, just to style it up a little bit. Because again, I don't want too much product in it because I want it to look natural. I want most of the hair on the side. And I want it to look a little big. Like, I'm into big hair now. I don't know why. I've been into big hair lately. So I'm just gonna play with it. Just play with it until you get it how you like it. I'm loving this already. Like, for real, for real. We treat it like a headband wig right now. So don't worry about this because you're not gonna see that when I put the headband on. Girl, it really don't shed that much. This about the much that I came out so far. That's not nothing. I mean, it's hair. Come on, y'all, it's gonna shed. But I like to show it because people ask, how much did it shed? Oh my God. So just separate your curls as you go. I like a little frizz because, you know, when it comes to stuff looking natural, come on now, your natural have a little frizz in it. So I like a little frizz. Just a little bit. Girl, look at this. One of the headbands that did come with it, this is giving me cheetah vibe. When doing this style, y'all, put your headband on before you put the wig on. That way you just can pull it up. And we gonna go in and fix the headband. Okay. Okay, I'm feeling this. This is the first look. Take off my glasses. This is the first look. Tell me what y'all think. This is style number 1. Give me a rate to 10. Rate 1 through 10. I'm gonna give y'all 360. Show y'all what that look like. I like this. This is very much like natural. Like, baby, you can't tell me this ain't my hair. Baby, this is my hair. Okay, moving right along. We're gonna do a second style, and this is pretty much quick. All you doing is taking the hair that was over here and just separating it and putting it in the middle and just spreading it out so you can get that middle part illusion. And that was quick, y'all. Rate me, y'all, 1 to 10, second look. And again, all you did was pull the hair from this side to this side and just split it down the middle. And then this, I want to see how this look. Let me see. Okay, let's do like a half up. Yes, baby. This is what I'm looking for right here. This the look right here. This the look. It's the curls for me. It's the curls for me. This the style that fits me right here. Tell me this don't fit me. Tell me this don't fit me. This it right here. Okay, so you can go from the up ponytail to like a up bun in like seconds. Like just wrap that around. There we go. This give you that messy bun look. I like this look too. Rate me, y'all. Come on now. Rate this look. Okay. Okay. Okay, y'all want the switch headband just to give it a different vibe or whatever, but trying to figure out how this go, baby. I feel like this is one of them headbands, like if you working out or whatever. Okay, this third style was a fail. It's supposed to be a high bun, but I don't know what this is, baby. But this good for the winter time, though. It's like a messy bun, I guess. I don't know, girl. This was a failed attempt, probably. This look right here. Rate me, y'all. This is good for going to the gym, though, and slicking in the winter time, because you just can pull these headbands down, and they cover your ears so you don't be cold. But let's see. We're going to pull this back down. See, this is why I like this, because look, you go from messy bun to I'm ready to go on a date in less than seconds. Like, shake that out, baby. And you good to go. Period. 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 Oh, get some hair. Okay, let's see what this side looking like. Back to normal. This Converti-Cap wig, you can also do a ponytail as well. All you do is put the combs as close to the ponytail as you can. Wrap the hair around the drawstring so it can look natural. Pull the drawstring as tight as you can to make it good and snug. And voila, you have a ponytail. Okay, y'all, this last style is going to be easy. As you see, it's going to be an up down. I already did the up part. Tried to make this look curly to look like my hair. I just got the back part in plaits. So all you're going to do is just take your top comb and put it where your part is, or as close as you can. Then take the side comb. Place that there. Pull your drawstring. Just to make it tight so it don't fall off. That's tight, baby. That's tight. That ain't going nowhere. Then as far as the little thing right here, you're going to cover that up with the hair. I just want to show y'all how versatile this wig is. I'm going to have to go back and make this a little flatter. But let me take the glasses off. I just want to show y'all how versatile it can be. This can be a little better, but I have to wash the wig and make it a little flatter. But overall, this wig is very versatile. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get your girl to 20K.